The world is on the verge of a major economic shift. Tensions are rising between G7 nations, and President Trump's latest tariff decision has shaken global trade. With February bringing significant changes, the impact could be massive. What's happening, and how will it affect you? Let's break it down. Starting February 1st, the U.S. will impose a 25% tariff on Canadian and Mexican imports and a 10% tariff on Chinese goods. But this is just the beginning. Washington is also considering removing the $800 exemption on imported goods, meaning even small shipments will face heavy tariffs. Simply put, this move will affect businesses, consumers, and international trade relationships alike. Imagine paying 25% more for daily essentials like food, electronics, and clothing. American consumers and businesses will take a direct hit. Higher import costs mean increased product prices, which will squeeze household budgets and slow down consumer spending. Small businesses will struggle to absorb the costs, potentially leading to job cuts and closures. The EU, Canada, and Mexico are preparing to retaliate with their own tariffs on U.S. products like motorcycles and blue jeans, potentially worth billions. Meanwhile, China is weighing its options, targeting key American industries such as agriculture, technology, and manufacturing. The risk? A full-fledged global trade war that could spiral out of control. The last trade war resulted in billions of dollars in losses, and economists warn that a repeat scenario could be disastrous. If these tariffs remain in place, supply chains will face disruptions, businesses will relocate production, and inflation may skyrocket. The effects won't just hit the U.S. Nations around the world will feel the ripple effects. Could this policy backfire on the U.S. and weaken its economic standing? The world is watching closely. What happens next depends on how other countries respond. Will international leaders negotiate a compromise, or will this escalate further? If past trade wars are any indication, the coming months will be critical. Expect more economic uncertainty, potential shifts in global alliances, and long-term repercussions for industries worldwide. Do you think these tariffs will benefit the U.S. or cause more harm? How will they affect your daily life? Comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more global updates.